Very excited to try these, y'all. Let's swatch them. That's Juicebox. Ooh, creamy.
So Rhode saw the hype for cream blushes and created their own. Let's put them to the test. And I think they are pretty similar. Not saying that Rhode copied me, of course, but they are very similar. This is Abdul Qadir and I created these blushes and they are one of the best selling, best formulas blushes in Pakistan. And I'm filming this in 4K, so एक चीज उसकी जो detail है वो बिल्कुल clearly सामने आएगी. And I'm very excited. The first shade is Sunset Rose. And this is the first shade that she swatched on her face. Look at this shade in 4K. Look at the shine. Look at the shine. Oh my god. Look at this shade. This is my dried rose. This and Sunset Rose was the first shade that I created. I started with 2 shades और अब मेरे पास collection में I have 8 shades of total cream products. This is dried rose जो Rhode जिसका dupe है. I'm not the dupe one. I came first. They are extremely pigmented. They are creamy. They are blendable. They are the best cream blushes that I have created in Pakistan and in the Pakistani market. This is the third shade, that is Blush Him. Let's do it here. How do you describe them? The dried rose gives a very subtle baby pink. The Blush Him भी pink देता है, but this is a very prominent pink और ये it's a muted pink. This one is rose. Okay, मेरे तो दोनों sides बहुत अच्छी हैं. मुझे पहले अपना left side बहुत अच्छा लगता था, but मैंने gym में अपना right side देखा and it was fire. This one is shade rose and here it goes. How pigmented they are, man. They are one of the best formulas. I'm repeating. They are, look how creamy, dewy and perfect for all weathers, all skin types. This is for every skin type. This is for every skin tone. They suit every skin tone. But आप किस कलर की तरफ ज्यादा fall toward करते हैं उसको depend करते हुए आपने अपना shade select करना है. This is Sweet Peach and this sold out like in a month. It went viral on TikTok. Zabunisa Chughtai, she's a creator on TikTok. She made a video using my blush. And that video went viral, making it a sellout and a hit product from AQ Cosmetics to come out. Here next to Rose. This is a coral shade, a peachy pink shade. जिन skin tones पे pink अच्छा नहीं उठता, उनके लिए ये वाला pink बहुत अच्छा रहता है. This is a peachy pink जो कि अच्छी तरह blend होता है और बहुत अच्छा glow देता है आपके चेहरे पर. And now the hero of the show, a purple blush. This is like, of course, everyone knows. It's viral. It's everywhere. Everyone knows about my purple blush. मैं free बैठा था तो मैंने इस पे I made that. लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया and everyone was demanding कि उनका किधर है ये. तो if you want कि मैं आपको blush इस तरह कुछ decorate करके दूँ, so let me know. This goes the purple blush. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. So stunning. This was the most riskiest shade that I did for my brand. या तो ये skyrocket करता या ये flop होता. And it has a skyrocket. It's viral. It's everywhere. Everyone is using it. Just so happy. The business that I started some years ago has now doing so good. And in an economy like Pakistan, what? This is my cream contour in the shade Caffeinated. This is a warm tone contour. Here goes. Look at that. Such a chocolate brown. Its name is Caffeinated. And look at that. In conclusion, I think Rhode did dupe me. Hailey Bieber, you could have asked me before you launched your pocket. अब मुझे एक इख्तिलाफ ज़रूर है Rhode से कि they are marketing their blushes as pocket blushes. और वो इतना मोटा तो ब्लश है वो कहाँ आपकी पॉकेट में आता है या किसकी पॉकेट इतनी बड़ी है. आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी पॉकेट फ्रेंडली. आई एम नॉट समवन जो किसी दूसरे को पुट डाउन करके अपने आप को अपलिफ्ट करता है. आई एब्सोल्युटली डोंट हैव टू डू दिस एनीवेयर इन माई लाइफ कि मुझे कभी भी दूसरों को नीचा दिखा के अपने आप को ऊपर करने की कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी है. समथिंग इज बीइंग मार्केटेड एज पॉकेट whereas it's not really pocket friendly, whereas my blush is very pocket friendly, easy to travel, easy to carry. This is made up of very good plastic. it lasts long, it lasts so long upon wearing. I have received reviews कि वो कुछ लोग मेकअप करके भूल गए उसको वॉश आउट करना और सो गए, and when they woke up just looked just as fresh. Spent a lot of fortune on these, making these. I've put a lot of risk into making these, starting a business, dealing with customs, dealing with so many issues in Pakistan, registering the company, registering your business, and being in this business is so hard in Pakistan, and it can be a different video जिसमें मैं ये discuss कर रहा हूँ, but I'm so grateful that I'm doing this and I keep doing this. The magic that I create in cosmetics is all because of you, your support. It keeps me going, it pushes me to do better, it pushes me to make even more good makeup, and the next launch that I'm launching, the products that I'm launching are so good. The formula has been approved of my next 2 products have been approved, and I'm waiting for a lot of things to come together, and this is the range of product. This is bronzer missing hai, which is sold out. This is all over for you, this is all over the internet. My blushes are in everyone's For You pages and in everyone's feed. If you haven't already bought these blushes, go ahead, you can use AQ10 for 10% off on your purchase on my website, और वहाँ से आप शॉप कर सकते हैं. Use AQ10 for 10% off on your purchase and enjoy these blushes. They are one of the best formulas in Pakistan, in Pakistani market, and they are high quality. Everything, they are the best. Go ahead and shop these from aqcosmeticspk.com. I love you all.